Hey everyone, Nate here. So I just want to go with a quick overview of a trailer brake controller install on a 2018 F-150. There's a lot of videos out there for their 15, 16, 17s, not much on the 18s that I could find at least. So this is going to be a quick overview. I've already installed the controller. It's hard to see, I apologize for the bad lighting. In the slot where that little cubby is, but basically it's going to be pretty much like any other year install, 15 and up. You're going to start with popping this piece off underneath the steering wheel. It's just as simple as grabbing it and pulling on it firmly. It'll pop off. Underneath this plastic piece is a metal plate with 4 bolts. You're going to want to take off those 4 bolts, and then that will allow you to reach in behind this trim piece here. And behind the plug, the electrical plug is actually plugged into that cubby hole, so you want to just pop that off. Once you get that off, you will pop this piece off. I use a little pry tool under this corner, popped it up. There's like 3, I think, places where it just snaps in. Pop this up. There'll be 2 bolts right there. I want to say they're 7mm. I could be wrong, but they're pretty small right there underneath this. Take those off and then just grasp this firmly and pop, and this whole surround down to here will just pop loose. Once you get that popped loose, you'll have to pop this trim piece loose. You can grab up here in the corner and pop it out. There's also, and you probably should do this, you could do this first, this piece right here that runs along the driver's side right leg. It's just some snaps along the back and up in the front. There's a small bolt that'll have to come out, so you can remove this piece, and then that'll allow the piece around the controller here to come out. You also need to, the piece around your cup holders will need to come loose so that you can get this piece out far enough to remove the bin to get your controller in. You can just grab this right here, pop it up, and this piece will just pop up. So I hit that really quick. Like I said, it's just really the same as all the other years, 15, 16, and 17. So we got the piece under the plastic piece under the steering wheel, the 4 bolts in the metal plate, reach around, unplug the electrical plug, pop up the tray on top, 2 bolts, pop the center out. Don't forget to remove the piece by the driver's right leg. Pop this piece out, pop your cup holder out, and then you should be able to move this out far enough to get that plug out, or get the bin out to put the plug in. Now, what I want to touch on real quick, the 18s, a lot of people are discovering their fuse box is not wired for the factory brake controller. Pretty big oversight on Ford, in my opinion. My truck, fortunately, I bought it right around Thanksgiving of 2017. It's a 2018. And it has the wiring in the fuse box. Fuse number 24 is the one for the trailer brake controller. So before you get too far into it, I recommend check and make sure you have that fuse. If not, visit Ford. I know from the forums and stuff, guys that went back to Ford and gotten that replaced with the correct one, because it should have the wiring in there. So that is a quick overview of the 2018 Ford F-150. Mine's an STX Super Crew. They all should be the same. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Please follow and share. Thank you very much.